Hello and welcome to another chainsaw video. So the Stihl MS170 is now running quite nicely. I've just put a new chain on it, so we'll take that out and see how it cuts. It starts easily now, it runs well. So what it needed was a little plastic insert in the boot. That was missing it, and apparently that caused an air leak. Also, I've replaced the carburetor with a cheap aftermarket one. The whole kit was €8. The original carburetor was number one, not working properly, and number two, it has been abused in the past, and one of the screws tabs holding on this part here, it's cracked right here. You can see the crack that goes all the way around inside there. So this was actually leaking and most likely therefore not really working too well. So this is still the original carburetor. So I replaced that. They're not that expensive to replace with an aftermarket one, and it works quite nicely. So we'll go and start it up. Cut a eucalyptus log that's lying outside, and once that's all working nicely, I'll clean it all up, and then it'll be for sale, because I have no use for 5 chainsaws, and I've got basically the Stihl MS211, which is slightly bigger than this one, same size bar, with slightly bit more power, which I'll be continuing to use. I've got the Echo CS3050 unbranded chainsaw, and then for the big piece I've got a Homelight XL12. So this one really I don't need, although it is quite nice and light, but again there's a very slight weight difference between this and the 211. Okay, let's see how it goes. there we have it. It works very well. It also oils correctly the chain. I've got to let it cool off and then see how tight the chain is. If we need to tighten it again. A nice little saw, good for firewood or pruning. So this will be put up for sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.